What are you going to order? I think I'll have the pasta. What about you? I'm leaning towards the grilled chicken. Have you tried it here before? Yes, it's really good. You should definitely get it. How's your food? It's delicious. Do you come here often? Not really, this is my second time. Should we get another drink? Yes, why not? I'll have another lemonade. How's your week been? It's been busy, but good. What do you think of the decor? I love it. It's very cozy and inviting. Do you want to get coffee after this? Sure, that sounds great. There's a nice cafe nearby. Do you need anything else? No, I'm good. Are you planning anything for the weekend? Not yet, just relaxing at home. You? I'm thinking of going hiking. Want to join? Sounds fun. I'm in. Do you prefer spicy food? Yes, I love it. Have you tried the seafood here? Yes, the shrimp tacos are amazing. Should we get some wine? Yes, a glass of red wine sounds perfect. Do you want to sit inside or outside? Outside sounds nice. It's a lovely day. Are you full, or do you want to order something else? I'm pretty full, but I could go for some coffee. Do you want to share a dessert? Sure, what do you have in mind? How about the chocolate cake? Perfect, let's do that. How was your trip last month? It was amazing. I have so many stories to tell. Did you like the music they're playing? Yes, it's quite soothing. Have you decided on dessert? I think I'll get the cheesecake. Do you think we should make a reservation next time? Probably a good idea, especially if we come during peak hours. How's your new job going? It's going well, but it's a lot of work. Want to split the bill? Sure, that works for me. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.